Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. So, what's your name? My name is Nazifa and what's your? Well, my full name is Nazifa Anisha. You can call me Anisha because it's my name. So, which class are you in right now? I'm in class 6. And how about you? I'm also in class 6 in Iowa School and College. So, do you have any sibling? Yeah, I had one younger sister. And what about you? Yeah, I also have a younger brother. His name is Ayaz. I call him Afi. So, what's your mother? My mother's name is Farhana and she is a homemaker. And what's your? My mother's name is Asma Jamila. She is also a homemaker. And what's your father? My father's name is Anatola and he is a government service holder. And what's about you? Well, my father's name is Muhammad Nasaruddin Jewel. He is also a government service holder in Makapamun. Where's your hometown? I'm not even sure. Well, maybe we are Deshi neighbors. So, tell me something about Kisharan. So Kisharan is famous for power people and sugar is also born here. Yes. So what are you good at? I'm good at mathematics, painting, crafting, and you? So I'm good at drawing. So what are you bad at? I'm bad at mathematics. So thank you for being here.